Hello friends, welcome back again to my tutorial. Today our topic is number again, and we are going to learn today a happy number. You have to enter a number and check whether it is happy number or not. That we are going to see, and then we will print all the happy numbers in the range A to B. Now for this you have to know what is actually a happy number. A happy number is a number which eventually reaches 1 when replaced by the sum of the square of each digit. Now for this I have to make you understand what I have read. For us, let us take the example 320. Now this is a digit separation program. You have to extract the digit. Okay, so 0 has come out, square it. Then you have to take out 2, square it, and then you have to take out 3 and square it. And you see what you get. 3 square is 9, plus 2 square is 4, plus 0 square is 0. So that will give you 13. As because it is not a one digit number, this will be again done. The same process will be done again with 13 but. So 3 square then 1 square will give you 10. This is again a 2-digit number. So again you have to do the same process. 0 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 1. Now the final value that has come is a 1-digit number, and if it is only 1, then it is a happy number. I hope all of you have understood the logic of happy number. Okay, now we will go to our BlueJ window and we will write the code. Okay, just to save the time, I have written the code, right? So let us just understand. This is class happy number. This is a static method because I'm going to call this method from main method, and main method is static. So if this method is not static, then I have to create an object. So I just do not want to create object straight away from main method. I'm going to call this method. The method name is happy, and this method will get a number from the main method and it will work out, and final value, if it is 1, it will return true or false. For that reason the return type is boolean. Okay, so what is the logic? Now just what you do, you remove this part, right? You have to know how to find out the sum of the digits. Simply for doing the sum of the digits, what you do, I'll show you. So this is how it goes. The number has come is the number greater than 0. Okay, so what you do, you take a accumulator that will keep on accumulating the digits. S is equal to, suppose as n is 320. Okay, 320. So it will do what? It will extract first 0, will square it. Okay, that is what the logic I said. So again I have to do what? This digit square. So what you do? So this is digit square you do for happy number, right? And then after squaring it, you will strike off the last digit. What will remain? 32. right? Then 2 will come out. You will square 2 and whatever you had in sum, right? With that you add this value. And this way, at a point, n will be 320, then 2 will go off, then 3 will go off, and finally 0 will remain. So 3, 2, 0 for the first round will give you 13. So you have to work with 13 now, right? So let us do what? For that particular thing, you say what? When n turns, that is 0, you have to do two things. Very important. You have to do what? You have to tell your code that your new number would be S, and for 13 the accumulator will count what? From the beginning. 1 plus 3 would be, so sum will turn to 0. So this is what the work you are supposed to do in case of n is equal to 0, right? And one more important thing is this process will continue till the sum reaches 1 digit, right? So what you are doing, sum is equal to square of the digits. Okay, so this way you are working with 320. So a time will come when 320 will turn to 0. So in that case your new number would be whatever you had in sum, and that sum, this accumulator will be fresh and it will count what? 1 plus this second round, right? 1 square plus 3 square, that is equal to 10. Again in the same process, third round, it will do what? 0 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 1. And finally, when you come here and if you test S is equal to 1 or not, digit, last digit, it has to be 1 digit and it has to be 1. Then it will do what? It will return true, otherwise false. Now let us compile and let us run this particular part. I'll run is-happy method. Now I'm going to give 320. It will return me true or false. It is returning me false. 320. Why? Let us check it. 320. And sum, sorry, here sum would be this one. Compile. Let me test once more. 320. It is returning true. So this particular part is done. Now I have to print the range. So the range as parameter I'm asking. 2 value will come from the user. Okay, and then it's printing the happy integers in the range. Whatever number you give from that to B, okay, R. So this is a message is getting printed, and then the range goes from A to B, and you're calling is-happy method with the first value I, right? And then if it is true, it will print I and a space. Now let us compile. Let me close this and let me run main method, and let me see 50 to 100, is there any happy number or not? So the terminal window is to run main method, no? Okay. Now let me see from 100 to 500 or 400, suppose. Okay, so this many happy numbers. The first happy number is, this is the message, the happy numbers, happy integers in the range 50 and 100 are 68. Okay, you just check it out. 8 square plus 6 square, then whatever value you get, if it is one digit and if it is one or not. So these are actually what, let me clear this. Twice I have got the output. So let me run a main method with 300 to 350, suppose. In this range, the happy numbers. So this 300 to 350 in the range, you will get all these happy numbers. I hope all of you have understood the logic of happy numbers and how to apply it to a range. That is also clear. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning from E-SHIKSHA, and of course do like, share and subscribe for some good videos. Thank you so much.